Welcome. Today we're diving into a simple way to view your most important emails with video attachments right from the Gmail app on your Android or iPhone. If you ever struggle to find crucial videos buried in your inbox, this updated method will save you time and frustration. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, make sure you're signed in to the right Google account so you see all your recent emails. Next, look to the top left corner of your screen. There's a menu icon. That's the three stacked horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Tap this icon to reveal more options and folders within Gmail. Once the menu opens, scroll down and find the section labeled Important. Tap on Important. This folder collects emails that Gmail has marked as a priority, making it easier to focus on the messages that matter most to you. At the top of the Important folder is the Gmail search bar. Right below that, you'll see several filter options. Tap on Attachment to filter your emails and display only those that include files. This narrows things down, so you're not sifting through every single email, just the ones with attachments. Now, it's time to find the videos specifically. Among the filter choices, select Videos. Gmail will sift further, showing only those important emails with video files attached. You'll see these emails neatly organized, ready for you to preview or download the videos as needed. By following these steps, you save time and never miss a vital video in your inbox. Whether it's a work presentation, a special family memory, or an instructional clip, Gmail's built-in tools make finding and watching video attachments straightforward. If you haven't tried using these filters before, give it a go. Managing your important emails with video attachments is now quicker and more efficient than ever. Thanks for watching, and enjoy streamlining your Gmail experience.